Welcome to the Foundation for Financial Planning's Community Grant Applicant tutorial. My name is Lori Mitchell and I'm with a Common Grant application. And this is going to be a brief video showing applicants how to use our site to apply for a grant. Currently you're looking at the dashboard. This is the page you land on after you log into your account. In order to log into your account for the first time, you need to register. You can register by going to www.commongranapplication.com and clicking on the green applicant icon. When you're logging in, you're asked if you'd like to go directly to the application or to the dashboard. If you chose the dashboard and you're ready to start your application, just click on Start Draft Application. Multiple grant makers use the Common Grant Application site to receive and manage grants, so find the Foundation for Financial Planning and click on Select Program next to their name. They have two programs or applications on our site, the Annual Grant and the Community Grant. So you're going to want to click on Start Draft App next to the Community Grant name. You're now in the draft application. You can see on the left-hand side that there are tabs. These are the different pages you need to go through in order to submit your application. Currently, we are on the introduction page. When you want to move to the next page, you can use the arrows to the right or to the left, or you could jump ahead using the tabs on the left. If you've entered any information on a page and you use the arrows or the tabs on the left, your information will automatically be saved. But if you're going to be on one page for an extended period of time and entering lots of information, I recommend clicking the Save button periodically. This is now the Agreements page. You'll next move to the Contact Information page. You'll notice some fields have red asterisks. If it has a red asterisk, it is required. You cannot submit your application until you have filled out all the required fields. If there's no red asterisk, it is optional. This is the Projects page. This page has some text boxes. So as you type, as you can see, this one here has 5,000 characters. As you type, you can see the character count goes down, letting you know how many characters you have left. Spaces are included as characters. Some browsers allow you to extend these boxes to make them bigger. You can also write your answers in another program, such as Google Docs or Microsoft Word, and cut and paste them here. The second to last page is the Check Application page. I have a big red Not Ready for Submission. Clearly, I did not fill out all the required fields. There is a table reason box below letting you know why you cannot submit this application. For example, on the Agreements page, I did not select the value for this box, so I need to go back to that page. I can click on it here or here and go back and correct it. Once all of my information is corrected, and it doesn't matter what page you are on, this Submit Application button will be highlighted green, and you can click it. You will submit your application and you will receive an application number on the screen. You will also receive an email confirmation letting you know your application has been successfully submitted, and you can find a copy of your application under your Grants tab on the dashboard. You do not have to finish this application in one sitting. Every page has a pause button. If you click pause, you pause out of the application. You can log out in the upper right-hand corner, and when you log back in, you have a Resume Draft Application on your dashboard. If you click on it, you will go back to the page you left off. You also have an Exit Draft Application. If you click on this, you do not lose any work that you've entered. You've just exited that you've been working on the draft. If you did this by accident, just click on Start Draft Application, select the Foundation for Financial Planning, and go back into the Community Grants draft. As I mentioned before, you will have a copy of your submitted application under your Grants tab. You can find that on the top of your screen. If you have any questions for the Common Grant application, please do not hesitate to contact us. Good luck with your application.